Hello friends, this is Samdani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to explain you about the chapter of compound consonants. Compound consonants here. Compound consonants. See, compound consonant means a consonant which gives the sound of two consonants. Use the sound of two consonants at a time with and writing with a one symbol. It is called as compound consonant. So we are having different kinds of compound consonants in pitman shorthand. So I will explain you one by one with suitable examples here. Right? Fine. I am going to the first compound consonant here. See, compound consonant means combination of two consonant sounds at a time is known as compound consonant. Fine. Okay. Now I am coming to the this is the definition of compound consonant. Now I am coming to the first consonant. The first compound consonant is adding a large hook to stroke K and G initially. Adding a large hook to stroke K or G initially adds W sound, right? I'll give the example. For example, here, see, K. We are putting the. Suppose I'm adding the large hook here. Use the sound of K and W. Wa, qua. It sounds as qua. In the same way for G also. G plus wa, gua. Like this, right? I will give the examples also here. See, for example, quick, right? Quick. See, I am writing the qua here. See, I am writing the large hook to stroke K and here. Then K I am also writing here, putting the whole letter. Queen. Then queen. In same way, adding the large hook to stroke K. Then putting N hook here. Queen. Quick and queen. In same way, linguist, right? L N government. I am putting the large hook to stroke G here, then steel hook. Linguist. Like this, adding a large hook initially to stroke K or G adds the sound of W to stroke K and K here. See? Then I am coming to the other example also here. I am coming to the one more example that is called see, a small hook to L, stroke L. If initially added gives sound of W. See, for example, L we are writing like this. This is L. See, suppose I am adding the small hook to stroke L. Initially, it gives the sound of L. See, well, we are writing like this. What I am doing is to write the W sound here. I am just adding the small hook to the stroke L. It gives the traditional sound of W here. Well, in same way, suppose a large hook a large hook to L. Initial adds the sound of WH. See how it is. I'll show you the examples. See, while. Fine. See, what I'm doing is while. See, stroke L is here. I am writing the stroke L with a big hook here. While. Whole. I am writing L along with a big here with a stroke. See, I have added a large initial hook to the stroke L here. It gives the sound of WH, whole, like this. If you add this big hook initially to stroke L, use the sound of WH. In the same way, the stroke M. Stroke M is thickened for the addition of MP, imp, or imb. That means the stroke M is thickened. It gives the additional sound of imp or imp here. I am showing the examples here. Then the M bass. What you are doing is see, this is first is a vowel here. I am just thickening the stroke M here. M, then boss, M boss. In the same way, emperor. Emperor. Then ra. Emperor. Like this. Like this. If we just thicken the stroke M, it gives the additional sound imp and imp here. Right? In the same way, the hook of stroke W, the stroke W is enlarged to give the sound of H, right? Use the sound of H here. See, I will explain you with examples, different examples here. See, here use the W as well as the H here. If the hook of stroke W is enlarged, use the sound of WH. See example, whistle. See, what. So what I'm doing is enlarging the hook of stroke W with the L, whistle. In the same way, where. In the same way, the hook of stroke W I'm enlarging, writing way, then way here, where. Like this, sir. Just enlarge. What I've done is I've enlarged the hook of stroke W to get the sound of W, additional sound of WH here. Okay? In the same way, then there are some more compound consonants here. There are some compound consonants. I will tell you clearly about this. See, stroke L. Stroke L after qua. After qua. How we are writing here? See, suppose stroke L comes after qua. If a vowel precedes L, we are writing downward. If a vowel follows L, then we are writing a upward L. Downward L, then upward L here, right? See, I will show you the examples here. See, squall. See, there is a qua here. After qua, there is a L also, stroke L is here, right? There is no vowel forward after the L here. So that's why square, then L. No vowel has followed the L, stroke L here. That's why I am writing the L downward here, right? For example, in the same way, squarely. Here, after qua, stroke L is here. Then after L, the vowel sound E, vowel sound E is followed. So that is why I am writing the square, then lee. Upward L I am writing here. Square and lee, square lee, like this. So if a vowel proceeds, writing downward L. If a vowel follows, I am writing the upward L here. Then the use of ler and rar. This use of ler and rar. See, I have not told you, no? I am coming to it now. First I am coming to, I will explain you with the example. Use of see, stroke R downward and stroke R and L thickened to get the additional sound of R. See, for example, R gets the sound of R. L gets sound of lar here. I will show you the examples here. See,